wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Abdul Muhaimin Ilham. You can call me Muhaimin. I come from Gorontalo. I'm a student at English Academy, and I have been here around 1 month and 2 weeks. Okay, today I want to tell you about education in developing countries. This is significant for develop. Education is something important for developing countries. Okay, but education have problems in our countries, in other countries, like that. I want to tell you about some problems about education. Okay, start from here. Here you can see 3 problems. The firstly, children often have to work from an early age. This is a point so touched because we can see on the street that children have a work and work hard. This is make me sad because children not enough for work. They still need education, but they not enough have not enough money. Okay, like that. And the next problem, people in developing need knowledge and skills. We can see in Indonesia, some student and some family enter their children to elementary school, junior high school, and senior high school. Therefore, get a certificate. They just want certificate because certificate for to enter in the job, like that. Okay, and then families don't have access to books and computer. Many parents in this world not have education for teach their children. For teaching their children. They just busy with their work, their job. So their children find education alone. That is make children just find low education and make attitude children become bad attitude and bad behavior. Family is important for keep their children from education because education start from child at last age 5 and 6 years, like that. But we don't. We must find a solution, way out to solution for this problem. And I have a solution. I have at last 4 solutions for this problem. One solution. Firstly, developed countries could have developing nations by profit in mind. Again, the big problem is money. Money is complicated for now because many parents, many families in this world just think about money. I try to suggest government, but I don't have power because I'm a normal human. Like that, government must give scholarship to children, to poor children from poor families, like that. If government care from education in Indonesia, government must give a scholarship for poor families. And then the internet can expose students the world of knowledge and information. Again, to internet. But in this world, exactly in village, not found internet because in village, government not yet come to some village for use internet. So students from village still have and give and get low education. They just have some books, a little books, a few books from study. This is a very making me sad. And then government don't care about that. Like that. Okay, and then so government, it is a solution. So government must enter to village for use internet. So students in Indonesia have a high education. Okay, this is a solution. And next solution, children need to have access to free schooling. Children now need education. What education children need? Of course, children need from kindergarten until university. And if children cannot cannot pay tuition, government must give a scholarship because students don't think about money. It is so hard for children. So government must give a scholarship for poor children, for poor families. Okay, I think like that, and that's all to explain to you. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bagus.